Hello! Today I'm gonna be powder coating motorcycle crash bars. I will start by preparing the surface. I will use a Scotch-Brite pad to remove all the surface rust and to sand the surface so the paint adheres better. Scotch-Brite pad is perfect for this as it's soft and can reach hard to reach areas. Next, I will make a hook and will hang the last of the crash bar. Next, I'm going to use an isopropyl alcohol to clean up the parts. I have black gloss powder in my powder gun, and because I have all my parts hanged on a single steel frame, I'm going to use my crocodile clip connected to the frame, and the ground is going to be connected through all the parts, so I don't need to connect it to every single part. I have my oven heated to 180 degrees Celsius, and now I'm ready to put all the parts in.